Hi everyone, a few people mentioned they would be interested in seeing a what I eat in a day video, so I thought I would share with you my meals today. I'm also going to probably get the bread maker out and have a go at doing a seeded bread mix that I've had in the cupboard a while, so I'll probably share that with you as well. I might be having some of that bread for lunch. So I'm starting with some Weetabix. I've got 2 Weetabix with some whole milk. They've gone a little bit sloshy while I was doing my fruit, but I don't like them hard. So yeah, I've got some Weetabix. I usually have either cereal or I might have some scrambled egg or some like crumpets or something like that. Fairly simple in the morning. And then I've also got some honeydew melon and some of the red grapes from Sainsbury's. So I'll start with those. I've already had a cup of tea this morning before I took Henry to school. Archie's away on his residential trip. So it was just Henry this morning. So I've already had my cup of tea. So I'm going to enjoy these. And then I will come back and show you my bread making and my lunch. I've got one of these multi-seed bread mixes. I haven't used this bread maker in years, so this might be a complete disaster. But I'm just going by the packet, and it says if you've got a 500 gram mix, which I have, to do it on the 800 gram setting in your bread maker. I don't have 800 grams, I have 750 or a kilogram, so I'm going to go 750. And just add 25 grams of butter and 320 mils and do it on the basic setting. So I'm just going to chuck it all in and put it on the basic setting and hope for the best. So it's saying 3 hours and 22 minutes. So I've no idea how this is going to go. But I'm going to just chuck it all in, like I say, and hope for the best, really. I've had this in the cupboard a while. I kept meaning, because I'm trying not to buy just the usual cheap, like shop bought bread. So I've been buying more expensive bread, but I thought it would be easier just to, obviously I will get some, I need a step ladder to get to this bread maker. I'm so small. Yeah, I thought it would be easier to just get some flour and yeast and stuff, but I wanted to give the bread maker a try. Before I bought a load of flours and yeasts and whatnot. So I'm just going to weigh out 25 grams of butter. And it literally says for the bread maker, add the bread mix, butter and water. Refer your bread machine to confirm capacity. Do it on the basic setting. So I'm hoping if I chuck it all in, that it's going to work. Who knows? And I need 320 mils of water. So I was going to have some for lunch, but I won't be if it takes 3.5 hours probably to bake. Is it 20? No, definitely not. I'll be hungry way before then. So I'm just going to pop my butter and my water in, close the lid. So on 750 grams, basic setting, press play. It sounds like it's mixing. So yeah, fingers crossed everyone. I'll come back in 3.5 hours and show you the results. Hi everyone, so this is what I'm having for lunch today. So I've got some of the Taste the Difference ham, just some extra mature cheese and some water biscuits with a little bit of butter on. And then I've got some cherry tomatoes, some cucumber and some baby beetroots. And I normally just drink water throughout the day and tea. That's basically all I drink. So yeah, tasty. My bread is still in the bread maker. It's got 55 minutes left and it's now just gone onto the bake mode. So I will show you what that looks like when it's cooled down and finished baking. Hopefully it will be okay. So yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch. And I'll come back and show you dinner a bit later on. So the bread seems like it's come out really well. I went for a medium crust. So it's a bit crunchy on the top, but not too hard. So I suppose I could maybe go for a slightly harder crust next time. Yeah, it smells really good. I'm just hoping it's not too doughy inside. But obviously it's got to cool down. But yeah, for a first attempt, and I don't think I've used that bread maker for probably about 9 years or so. And I've got no instructions for it anymore. Didn't come out too badly. So I'll let you know on the screen what it tastes like. For dinner, we're having some Hunter's chicken. So I've just got chicken breast that I seasoned and did in the air fryer. And then I wrapped it with bacon and topped it with barbecue sauce and some cheese. And then I've done some carrots and broccoli and just some new potatoes. I've just put some butter and some black pepper on. So yeah, it's super tasty. I might have a little snack later on in the evening. So if I do, I'll share that with you as well. The last thing I'm having is just some decaf tea and a brownie that I made. This is a BBC Good Food recipe. They're called fudgy coconut brownies. They're really tasty. I have videoed the full recipe, so either that has already gone up or it will be going up if you're interested in making some of those. They're really easy, and obviously there's nothing else added, just like flour, sugar, butter, cocoa, that kind of thing. So really tasty. So that's what I'm going to be having with my tea, and that will be it for today. So I hope you found it interesting having a little nose at what I eat in a day. Let me know if you've enjoyed. If you have, I'll do them more regularly. Happy to share if it's helpful for anyone. So as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in another video. Bye.